Hello, I'm Animesh Pradhan.
And I'm Swayambhurna Mishra.
We are currently pursuing our BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, and we'll be demonstrating the entire process of setup and data capturing using this NeuroSky's MindWave mobile to device. To do the same, first you have to enable the Bluetooth services of the device. As you can see, we'll switch on the Bluetooth services of NeuroSky's device. We shall connect the device, the laptop here with the NeuroSky's device, and we'll switch on the Bluetooth and then add the device, and the device gets connected.
Another thing that we'll require is to find out which port the device is connected on. For that, we can go to devices and printers and locate our device, which is right here. And here on services, we can see that it has been connected on COM4.
Now we should demonstrate the entire steps that takes place so that the EEG data has been collected. The user has wear the NeuroSky's device, and now this is the folder which is currently empty, which will store the data that will be captured from the application. So we shall run the application which would collect the EEG data. The application gets hosted in the local host, and as you can see, this is the entire application where the student would log in using its own credentials and then can watch any videos. For example, if the user watches this video using the NeuroSky's device,
in last class we talked about advanced similarity measure like peak similarity measure. In today's class we'll cover another two advanced similarity measures, and these similarity measures basically used for user-based collaborative filtering. So among the three measures we cover in the last class, that is PEEP measure, and then today we'll cover MJD and NHSM. Start with MJD. So basic idea of these similarity measures are basically two basic principle. One is called the numerical values, and second one is the arrangement of the ratings. So in case of the numerical values, what we know is we have to compute the similarity between user E1, another user U2, and then user E1 is having the rating, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. Another user is having rating, let's say 0, 3, 5, 4 and 2. We have to compute the similarity between these two users.
Similarly, the user can log out from the device and you can see the data has been collected, and the data gets stored in a CSV format, as you can see.